Quite gang, man. What's up with y'all, man? Look, man. Got a new family edition. Said I was gonna do it and I did it. I didn't do it, but my fiance did it. She got it for me. Went to this little pawn shop joint and they sell guns and everything. And the AK was like, they wanted like 600. The AR pistol, they wanted like 701. The EZ that I want, the EZ pistol, they wanted $399, which is pretty good. That's a great deal. But they're not doing layaway right now. So anyway, started looking at my account and everything. I was like, okay, I can make some things happen. So anyway, what y'all think I got? Comment below. All right, you probably wrong. All right, anyway, man, you know, got an AK, man. Brand spanking new, bro. What is this? It's the VSKA 47. Of course, it's coming from Century Arms. So yeah, man. I was looking on like Google and everything. They say this is the best one you can get. They said it lasts long. I mean, a lot of AKs last long, but they said this lasts long. It has good quality steel. It does have a crisp trigger. Like, the trigger really surprised me. That's my rolling back. But yeah, so it says really a good AK though. It doesn't have the rubber buttstock though. I'm gonna have to put something here because it's kind of tough. It's a little plastic shit. But I don't have a sling for it. I tried to put this sling on it, a sling I had got from a shooting course, but it doesn't fit it. This mainly fits like ARs and shit, so it's not gonna fit it. It came with one magazine, Waffle magazine, P-Mag. Came with one. And I had to get two boxes of ammo. 20 rounds piece. It was like 17 bucks. You know, this virus thing going on right now, so everything a little expensive. It's outrageous. But I had some extra bullets. I have some extra rounds somewhere, but I can't find them shits. Cause remember when that first video I did, right? So I was gonna get one. I had some extra ones, but I can't find them. Came with the manual and everything. You know, it's colored and shit. Whatever. Just that and the third. And Century Arms. I'm gonna register this shit like I always do. Find a way. But yeah, man. So, you know, got one mag. Gotta get another. Of course. Oh shit. Lock it in. You know, man. Oh, this shit can come off. Let me see. Yeah. Cool. Serial number. Cool. I'm gonna write that down in my little book. That's it, bro. That's it. Crisp trigger. Here you go. Very crisp. I ain't even. I'm trying to do it softly. I'm trying to do it slowly. It's crisp, bro. It's crisp. I've shot at an AK before at a gun range. It was rented. Never owned one. So I'm very happy to own this AK here. It's my new baby. Somebody in the comments on my last video talking about when I got that safe, talking about some, yeah, it's gonna get filled up. It's gonna get filled up. That bitch gonna get filled up. Look. That bitch about to get filled. I'm finna be by the window like Malcolm X and shit. Oh shit. What am I doing? There we go. So now I just gotta look for a way to put a better sight up here and everything. Attach a little light and everything. I gotta give me a sling that'll actually fit. I'm thinking this one, you gotta clip it on, and then, you know, just put it to the bottom. I think I seen one before, the little green ones. What else I gotta do to this joint? Oh, I want to put that Franklin Armory trigger on it. You know, the one that you can put like that fully auto joint, where you know it's a round when you fire, then it's a round when you let it go. I want to put one of those. That's why I wanted the AR. I'm gonna put one up here. So I'm trying to be like John Wick. But yeah, though. And I just took it apart for the first time, and I had to look at a YouTube video on that, on how to put it back together. So give me a little minute. I don't have any cleaning gear for this one. Like, it didn't come with any cleaning gear, so I'm gonna have to go out and get some. Cause the other cleaning gear that my military, oh shit, hold up. Come from out of Georgia VT. What the fuck that is? Anyway, bro, it's stamped and shit. What's this? This a fucking, it's probably a stamped receiver. Somebody tell me if I'm wrong. I doubt it's milled, only because it was like $600 and something. I think milled are usually like around 8, 9. So I'm pretty sure this is stamped. But other than that, pretty cool. Pretty cool. This kind of, I think this is twisted a little bit. I'll show you. I try to avoid the AKs that have this one up here. I don't know why. I don't think it looked good to me. But I'm gonna have to go out and zero it and everything. Like something broke off. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna run this bitch to the ground. Hopefully it stays around for years and years. This little rubber shit, I'm probably gonna take this off. It comes off. I'm probably gonna end up taking this off. There we go, it comes off. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up taking that off. Probably keep it on for right now. I hear a lot of people say they end up coming off anyway. So, one more time. Oh yeah, man. That's the AK, bro. New to the family. Finna be sitting in a safe until I come back to shoot it. Oh, I do want to exchange out this hand grip. It's too small. I need something a little bit more bulkier. Switch that out. And probably put some more grip up here. I like this wood stock. I love the wood stock. But I'll probably put a little bit more grip up here. Give me a drum. Oh, I'm gonna give me a damn drum. You already know that's 75 rounds. Give me a fucking drum. And I don't know. I like the black. I like the original too, but I like the black, so that's why I kind of jumped on it too. Because they want to try to get rid of all the black guns from what I heard at one point. Just like the high capacity mags. But yeah, I fucks with it, bro. I fucks with it. It's definitely gonna stay in the collection. But yeah, it's new to the family, man. Hold up, let me get a thumbnail. Alright, bet. Hey, bro. Almost ended it, but hold up. Quayway gang, man. We out, bro. Catch y'all next time, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share, man. Let me know y'all thoughts. Like I said, Chris Vector's still coming. It's just sold out right now. You know, everybody buying up everything. I can't even find any 5.7x28 ammo right now. So, we'll figure out. And then, like I said, these bitches going for $17.95 or $20. I started to slap her ass, but I know this is a ripoff, but whatever. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all on the flip side, bro.